Hey, I'm back. Let's unbox this thing. From the thumbnail, you should know what this is. So let's just break it out from its plastic, from its garbage plastic packaging. Alright, there you go. Okay, packed in a lot of bubble wrap. Let's cut this open. The teleportation magic box. Okay. When we're done unboxing, we will test it out. We will see how the performance is. So this is it. The teleportation magic box. The teleportation magic box is basically an emulation box, preloaded with a lot of games, I presume. 64 gigabytes of it. So let's just take a look at the box. It says teleportation magic box here, super game box, 9,000 games with 3D games. Okay, I bought the one with 2 wireless controllers. Okay, packing instructions, accessories, color box, machine, Okay, what's here? Nothing. That's here. What's here? Nothing. Okay, that's it. That's all we get in terms of box. Let's just open it up. Opening it up to reveal some instructions here. Some instructions here. Well, I cannot show you, but never mind. This is the box itself. Give me a moment. It takes a while to pry it out. Come on, man. Get out of there. Okay, there you go. The box is here. The super game box. There's a fan there. What's in front? Nothing in front. Nothing at the side. Power in. TF card slot. AV out. HDMI out. And 2 USB ports. Comes with a dongle for the wireless controllers. Let's just put this to the side. So what else do we get? What else do we get? We get 2 wireless controllers. PS2 style. They feel okay. Not the best, but I'm not complaining. Okay, 1, 2. And we get the power cable. And we get the HDMI cable. We get a micro SD card reader. Some instructions in Chinese and in English. I think this is easy enough to figure out, so we don't really need to read all of this. Another thing is the games installation guide. Okay, it just tells you where to drop your ROMs if you want to insert your own ROMs into the micro SD card. I think we know how to do that. And that's it. That's all that comes in the package. So what's next is I'm going to connect this to my TV, and then we're going to test out how the performance is. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now I have the box connected to my television. So it's going to play some intro video when you turn on the box. So yeah, I have the controller connected up already, and there is no way to skip this intro video. So this intro video is going to play every single time you turn on the box. It's a bit annoying. Yeah. It's a bit annoying, but what can you do? So basically this is the menu of the teleportation magic box. This is what you can see down here. It shows you the button combinations to control the menu. You press Y to search, B to select, A for back, and X to set something as favorite. For example, if I press and hold X, Ace Combat will be added to my favorites. Select L2 is to save state. Select R2 is to load state, and then start double click select is to exit a game. And back to this menu that you're seeing right now. So let's just see what this little box emulates. It emulates the PSP, Sega Naomi, Nintendo DS, Nintendo 64, PlayStation 1, some arcade games, Super Nintendo, Gameboy Advance, Sega Mega Drive, Nintendo Entertainment System or NES, Gameboy Color, NeoGeo Pocket Color, Sega Game Gear, Family Computer Disk System, Sega 32X, Sega Master System, MSX2, Atari Lynx, Atari 7800. Now we're back to all games and our favorites, and we're back to PSP. Now I'm going to randomly select games to test the emulation out.
3, 2, 1, go! 3 laps to go. Round 1, fight! Now it's everybody's favorite time, RBD 420, in the ring. I'm gonna show you why I'm the original gangster.
Just what I needed.
So, conclusion, pros and cons. Pro number one, it's not a bad emulation box for such a low powered box. It's acceptable, it's playable. Pro number two, there's lots and lots of games preloaded in this box, so you will have hours of fun. And pro number three, it has a cooling fan, even though it's small. So moving on to the cons. I've noticed there's input delay with the wireless controllers. Maybe not noticeable if the game is slow paced, but in a fast paced game like fighting games, you will notice it. Con number two, you cannot use other controllers for this box. You can only use the controllers that's provided, and that's not good. Con number three, some games run poorly or choppy, like the NDS Mario 64 and Nintendo 64 Mario Kart. It's a bit of a mixed bag, but overall okay. Con number four, there's filtering applied to make the games look smooth, but I think it makes the game look blurry, especially for the 8-bit and 16-bit games. A bit of inconsistent filtering applied to the games. And con number five, no physical button to turn off the console. So you just have to turn it off by removing the power socket. So in conclusion, I will give this box an overall okay rating. I would recommend it to people who just wants to plug and play, simple. People who don't want to tinker around with ROMs and flashing emulate or something. And I would not recommend it for people who wants more control of their emulation device. If you want more control, why don't you just get a TV box and install emulate in your TV box and configure it to your liking. So that has been my review, and I hope you enjoy watching it. So subscribe, like, dislike, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.